Hello friends, let's have some heavy metal fun on this live feed. After this, I will do another acoustic piece, kind of a extension of one I just did recently, but for now, some rhythm and some leads and a mix of such, just in a heavy metal vein. So this won't be too long, or maybe it will, probably not. Let's just see what happens. I don't know. I'll shut up and play now. Let's go. Zero viewers. See how much longer I go with this. Well, it's early on a Saturday morning, or there's another reason. Who knows? But so far, this is not going to make it to my YouTube channel. So there's some viewers, but nobody is engaging or interacting, so I will give this another shot some other time. No bumps on a log allowed.